Hi, I'm Damien Montero. I'm one of the coaches of the South Florida and Office Depot hackathons. And I want to give you some quick tips on what you do in the hackathon to have the best event ever. This is going to be a virtual hackathons, but these tips still work, and they work for every single hackathon. But these are the quick ones. On the day of the event, when we join, don't worry if you don't have the team. You will be able to join others in the team. During the Saturday, when you're doing all the work, make sure to start with sketching out everything. Put it all on a piece of paper. You don't know how important it is. If I flip up a piece of paper as the workflow goes, how important that is, and how it will eliminate any problems you will have quite a couple of hours down the road. Within 1 or 2 hours, make sure you have down to the major features and you're faking those things, okay? So you have hard copy versions of them, kind of working out the more or less the layout, the flow of the website, so that I can come over and see the idea of what's going on during the presentation. This is the biggest part of what I'm about to tell you. Please listen to this part very much. Prepare for the presentation. The presentation is 5 minutes. If they say 4 minutes or 3 minutes, you cannot go over the presentation time. I cannot emphasize enough. If there's one thing you're going to learn from this video, is do not go over the time allowed. Why? You will look foolish as I have to cut you off. You will look foolish because you didn't get to finish your point. The judges will get mad and you will get mad and you will be affected negatively. Use one computer to present. I also cannot emphasize enough. Even if you have a mobile phone, there's a way to connect the phone to your computer, no matter what operating system you have, and no matter what phone or tablet you have, so that you can be able to present, say for example, your presentations on that one slide, on that one video, on one laptop, then show us the website, then show us the mobile app, all in a single one. Ask me if you don't know how. It's a piece of cake. Also, try not to use videos or audio. Those things usually never work, especially on a virtual account. They just do not seem to work. So try not to do it. And make more the demo the main part than the presentation. Also, tell a story. Give us a quick little something meaty that you're solving, and then go right into the solution. If you want presentations, I'm not a big fan, but you can. But then remember, we want to see something. Presentation is everything. Don't go over the time allowed. PowerPoint is okay. Demos is better. Wonderful. So you've gone through the whole event, and perhaps you've won. Perhaps you haven't won. No problem. Here's an important thing to do after the hackathon is done. When you're finished with the presentations, make sure to keep in touch with everybody on your group and make sure to get everybody's contact information. Also, make sure, and you will forget, I've done it a million times, to get the code, the example. You can get a copy. You don't have to get access to the server where it's sitting at or access to the phone that someone's installed it in. Get sort of the copy of the software. You never know when you'll be able to use it later on. Try to figure out the contact information of people that you're interested in that were not part of your team members, perhaps the coaches, perhaps the other judges, perhaps other people from other teams that have some amazing software. They may be glad to give you that software, that great graphic, that great information about it. Really enjoy yourself. This is a social event and a wonderful event. Don't worry about the fact we'll be getting headphones. Don't worry about the fact that we'll be in our homes instead of being together, which I wish we could. We will be enjoying ourselves tremendously, and I'm honored and happy that you'll be there. And I'll see you on the 27th. Talk to you then.